Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. Hey, if you come online and you're looking to build an affiliate marketing funnel, and maybe you've tried it before and you failed and you struggle with it, maybe you're looking to kind of get into affiliate marketing and somebody said, hey, you gotta have a funnel, and maybe you tried it and it just didn't work. Well, in this video, I'm gonna give you 2 ways to create an affiliate marketing funnel without your own website, and we're gonna do it like a total boss. So if you've come online, you want to become a total boss. You want to live that lifestyle. You want to be able to do the fun things you want in life, being able to travel and have fun with your friends, do all that fun stuff. Well, you can do that with affiliate marketing, and you can do that by building your own funnel. Or the other way is leveraging off of somebody else's funnel. So let me describe really how this works. You want to get into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's stuff, okay? Now, promoting other people's stuff is how you really become successful and how you make money online. Now, before I get started though, I want to really quick remind you, click on that subscribe button and hit that bell option. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So with affiliate marketing, you just promote other people's stuff and you get a percentage on it. But most of the people out there, I see so much, they're just promoting their link and they're trying to get sales and it's just not working. So when people come into, when I coach new students and they come into, my strategies and I teach them about creating a funnel, affiliate marketing funnel. And what you do is you invite people into your funnel and then they kind of stair step through your funnel and then they get to a point where you can, make the money that you want. Because just going out and trying to promote a link that you're going to get paid like $50 to that, you're gonna have a hard time really kind of scaling that up. You're gonna have a hard time building that up. The money's gonna be in the back end of your funnel. Okay, so you're gonna have maybe a $500 product or a $1,000 product or maybe a $5,000 coaching product on the back end. And if all that sounds pretty crazy, it's not really that crazy, okay? And there's really 2 ways you can do this. The first way you can do this is you can build it out yourself. If you wanna create the videos, you wanna create the infrastructure to it, you can do it. It's going to take a little process, it's going to take some time, but you can set it up. It's a must that you have an affiliate marketing funnel. You have to have a funnel set up to where you invite somebody into the front end by giving away some type of free product, some type of free offer, get somebody enticed into that system, and then you move them through the system, okay? When you look at businesses all over the world, and businesses in your local area, the good businesses that last, they have some type of incentive offer to get you in the door, some type of low-end product to get you in the door, because they know once you get in the door, then you're going to buy more. I'll give you a great example. During Thanksgiving here in America, we have this Thanksgiving Day, and it used to be Thanksgiving Day. The next day was this Black Friday. Now they've messed it all up, and now it's like the whole week is Black Friday, but it used to be one day, okay? So one day on Friday, the stores would open up at like 5 a.m., okay? And the funny thing is these stores, okay, it's like Walmart opened up like 5 a.m. So people would get up at 3 o'clock in the morning, they'd wait outside, but what Walmart was doing was they said, okay, for the first 2,000 people that come in the door, we're gonna give you something for free. We're gonna give you like this ridiculously low fee, or the first 2,000 people would get like maybe 75% off, like a coupon or some crazy thing like that. What they're doing is they're getting people in the door because they know that once they get in the door, then they're going to go buy a bunch of more stuff. So they've basically upselled the people throughout the whole system. McDonald's does another great way of doing it too. Is when you go through the drive-thru and you ask for burger and shake, what do they ask you? Do you want to supersize that? Okay, you've come into the door, the drive-through, you order up, and they ask you to supersize it. When they supersize your meal, that's where they make all their profits. Okay, so that's an example, and that's how you do it with affiliate marketing online. You can't just come into McDonald's and hope to sell a bunch of burgers. You have to upsell people by getting them in the door with a low quality. It's low quality food, but it's like you get people in the door for like $1 burger, right? And once you get in the door for about $1 burger, then you ask them to supersize them, and now you've increased the amount of profits that you can make on that customer. Same thing, affiliate marketing. So here's what you do. You use the first way you use a system called ClickFunnels. Okay, ClickFunnels is going to be a great tool that you can get just by going to clickfunnels.com, and it's a very simple system that you set up. Okay, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating a landing page where you can get somebody in the door and you can upsell them throughout your system. You build out you introduce them to your business, right? With a low ticket, you could have a free giveaway, you could have an ebook, you could have a video training, anything that you want to give out there to people that's going to help them succeed in whatever that you're doing. Okay, this can be working in any niche. It could be working in the health niche, in the dating niche, in the marketing niche. Doesn't really matter. So with ClickFunnels, you build out a funnel. You start with a low end, and then you introduce maybe a lower product, maybe $17 or $27. Gets them in the door, maybe they buy that product. But now they're on your list. They're on your list, and now what you can do is you can promote affiliate offers to them over and over and over again. And those affiliate offers that you promote through your list, that's where all your profits going to be made. That's how you're going to be making the bigger profits. And that's how you're going to be able to scale up your advertising, because now what you can do is you can spend money on advertising. You don't have to go out there and hustle and try to get free traffic. You can start to pay paid traffic. That's why a lot of those people on Facebook, you see them on Facebook and they're giving away click here, you can get a free report, and you're probably scratching your head going, well, how do they spend all that money on that? Well, they get people in the door because they have huge coaching programs or huge back-end products that they're offering people. So you do the same thing. You can copy exactly the model that's working, and you get to do the same thing. So the first way is to use ClickFunnels, and you build it out yourself. The second way is to actually leverage funnels that are already in place. They're already built. They're already set up. So you leverage those, okay? There's one way to do it. You can go to JVZoo and you can find a funnel in that way. You can also go to some of these new top tier programs out there. If you want to get some information on the system that I use, that I leverage, the funnel that I leverage, click on the link below this video. I use a system that it's already, the funnel's already built, okay? And the reason I like that is because I used to build out my own funnels, and I still build out my own funnels, but the problem is not many people understand how to build out your funnels. I mean, it takes time, it takes effort to build out these funnels. But if a funnel's already built and all you have to do is just promote it and you get a percentage on that, I mean, that's gold, and that's the way to do it. That's going to be the easiest solution for you. But like I said, you got to build out that affiliate funnel. So that's how you can get a funnel going without even building out your own website. ClickFunnels, obviously you're going to leverage that and you would use that system. But if you go and find funnels that are already built out, all you have to do is just put people in the front end and let them go through the funnel. You can continue to promote that funnel if you want. As long, people that haven't bought it, you just keep promoting that funnel and they'll go through it on their own. Okay, it's a great way to do it. You're going to see your income skyrocket because now you're not really promoting these small $20 commissions here. You're getting somebody in for a $20 commission, but then you have this big scale up offers that you have on the back end, okay? So there you go, that's affiliate marketing funnels. You can either create it yourself, okay, or by leveraging an existing platform, or you can find a funnel that's already existed and promote that. So again, if you want to get some information on that, click on the link below this video. That'll take you in there and show you how to set up a funnel that's already, and leverage a funnel that's already set up. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below, let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.